welcome to my channel. My name is Deepa. So today I have a very special haul video for you guys. So I thought I'm gonna come here and shoot for you guys. So firstly, this is one of my favorite brands and I love all the clothing from this brand and it's so affordable. Yeah, so I am talking about MISSAMORE and oh my god, I just love this brand and wow, the quality is amazing. It's very mid-range and whenever I wore outfit from them, oh my god, I always get questions of where is it from and where did you buy this, Deepa, and all of that. So I have some of I think this year, in the year 2023, this is the first time that I got from them. So I thought, why not make a haul and show you guys as well. So you have fusion, you have different types, like you have tops, you have dresses, like unique prints. So they have a lot of floral. I really love floral wear. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys. So first I'm gonna talk about this off-shoulder baby doll dress. So I'm gonna show right here of how beautiful it is. Oh my god, I love it. Yeah. So yeah, so it was so affordable. I think it was for 999, and also you have a coupon code. I think the coupon code is 2020. So that's what I had been using all the time. So you can check it out. The coupon code is 2020. Yeah, and oh my god, I really love everything from them. So yeah, so don't forget to check out. So this is the first one. So I'm gonna show you of the entire, like the overall, the full outfit. Yeah, it's a very cutesy, very amazing summer outfit, like a must have. And oh my god, I love it. Yeah, and it was so affordable. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you some more items that I got. Yeah, from MISSAMORE. Yeah, I have them right here with me. So the first item, oh my god, I just went for this color. Like, I love this color. Yeah, so let's see what I have. So this is not a try on haul because I want to save up for my upcoming trips. That I'm going to take in the next 2-3 months. So you have to follow me on my Instagram to check out how these look. But I'm so into tops because I'm constantly shooting for my content for my Instagram, for my both the channels, for my tarot channel and all of that. So yeah, so I always like look out for fancy, like very unique tops. So this is the one. Yeah, so it has a the yellow and ash detailing. Oh my god, it's one of the best combinations. So yeah, so it is. I'm gonna put a photo from the website, right here. So check out. So it has this tie detailing, and also I really, for some reason, yellow and ash go together. Yellow and gray, like they look good together. So yeah, so this is the one, and you can tie it near your cleavage. Yeah, wow, I just love it. Yeah, you can also wear it like jeans, and you can wear a throw shirt on this. Yeah, it looks so good. And this is my first purchase, and it was not at all expensive. I think it was $4.99 or $3.99. That's it. Yeah, a must have, and I really love for the uniqueness. Yeah. So wow, you can also wear this if you're going to Goa or something like that. Oh my god, this with short jeans, bingo, bang on. Yeah. So my first top is this, and the next top is similar to this dress. I have another dress, like a black version. Oh my god, I just love this. So these are very convenient, like if if it's rainy and all of that and you don't want to get like wet below. Yeah, so oh my god, just look at how cute this is. Like, how cute. Oh my god, I just love. And you can buy multiple fabrics like this and get it stitched. So it has shirring right here, and just look at how cute this is, like a cute baby doll dress. Oh my god, I love it. So these are the two colors that were there in this. So I got both the colors because I really love an off shoulder and a baby doll dress and something above knees. Oh wow, I just love this. Like you can wear it anytime, anywhere. Wow. And even it's not so see-through. Yeah, you can see it's not see-through. Yeah, So it's very convenient as well, and I really love, I don't have anything like this with black and floral. So this is a unique one that I have. I have, the peach color I do have, but I don't have anything in this black and this floral print. So yeah, so this is why I got. So I'm gonna put a photo right here from the website. So do check out. Yeah, and the next one that I have is another, like, like the yellow and gray. I have the orange and gray. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, so this is the next one. So I really love, the uniqueness of these tops. So this is how it is. Yeah. So this is how it is. Yeah. So it is like, a butterfly. Yeah. So I think this comes like, near your neck. Yes. Yeah. Oh my God, just look at this. So you can also pull this. Yeah. So that's what I was wondering. Yeah. So you can also pull this, based on your own style. Yeah. Just look at that. Oh my God, I love this. Yeah. So it's so unique, and it was just for $2.99 or $3.99, something like that. Yeah, absolutely worth it. Just love it. Yeah. Oh my God, I love it. Yeah. So cute. Yes. So I don't have anything in this bright colors. I just really love colors, and even if you saw I bought a black, I want tons of color in my clothing. I just love. So these are two unique pieces, and they're so Instagrammable with the colors. Oh my God, just love the color shade. In your iPhone, when you click pictures with these, oh my God, love it. And all go with jeans. They look very good with jeans. Yes. So I really love the uniqueness. Yeah. So another one that I have is this polka dot one, but I don't have anything in this pink and green. Sorry, pink and blue. Yeah. So this is it's really a little bit see through, but I think I can manage. So this is how it is. Like, you have to tie this. So I think when I put a photo is when you'll actually understand, from the website. So you have to tie this. So this is your top, and you have to tie like this. Yeah. So yeah, you have to adjust this and tie behind. So I think you got a gist of it, of how this is. So yeah, so it is, I think if you secure this tightly, like you can pull it off. You can also wear your black tube top inside, and you can wear this. It'll look bomb. So anytime you have clothing like this, always wear a black tube top. So I really suggest you to get a black tube top from Plumberry, or from your Enamo, anything. Like, just get a tube top in white, black and skin color. You can pull it off. And for clothing like this, like, you can just wear a black tube top if you're uncomfortable. Yeah, I just love the print of this, and I don't have anything like this in this style. So if you secure this, you can also use the sticky fashion tape, and secure this tightly so that nothing is seen. Oh my God, I love it. Yeah. And the next one that we have, let me just see. So this, I first loved this one on the website, so I had to get it. Yeah, so it is a coordinated set. Just look at this. Just look at this. Oh my God, it's a coordinated set, and it has this fringes. And I think this was for $2,999 or something like that. I love that. Yeah. And this is the it's a coordinated set, and just look at this skirt, man. It has this, the mermaid cut, the fish cut. Yeah, I just loved this one, and I have a set of events coming up, so for that one I can just wear this. Yeah. So I'm trying to figure out, yeah. So this is the one, and you have this, the cowl detailing, yeah, near your hip to give you the the hourglass figure, which I already have. So yeah, so this is the one that gives, and I loved this. It's a coordinated set, so I'm gonna put a picture right here. You'll understand. So I would love to wear this, and also get a shoot done. Oh my God, I'm very, very excited. This with your pearl jewelry will look bomb. Oh my God, love it. So this was the first item that I checked out on MISSAMORE, and I really, really, really wanted. Yeah, so I got it. Yeah. definitely check out the coordinated outfit section. Check out, you also have fusion wear, like your dhoti pants, and you also have saris and all of that, so do check out. So I have so many lehengas from MISSAMORE, so I really wanted, like like this cocktail outfit. Yes. So I also have another polka dot one. So polka dot, generally I have black and white, and I don't have anything in this, so I really wanted to experiment. Yes. So this one is again, similar to that. When you have a lot of threads, it's a little bit time to, it takes to figure out. So this is also similar to that, like, so I also, 3-4 years ago, my birthday dress was from MISSAMORE, and so many people asked me, where did I get that outfit from? Oh my god, that's one of my favorites. So, this comes like this. I think you guys got an idea. Yes, so this is how it is. And if you tightly secure it, and as I said, always go for a black tube top. It works brilliant, and this one were like just $2.99 or something. Yeah, and they are very, like, you can adjust it according to how you like. So you can also go for this one. You can also wear crisscross. Like, you can wear crisscross. They look very good. Yeah. Now coming to the last item. Yeah. So this one also I went because of the color. I really love the color. Yeah, I'll show you guys. Yeah, so it is, I just loved this, color. Like, yeah, so it is this, blue and yellow, and this one also, you can wear it crisscross, and it's a tie back. And, oh my god, you can carry this off so good, and this looks so nice. Yeah. Oh my god, I just don't have anything in this range, and I really wanted to experiment. As I said, if you're uncomfortable, just go wear a black slip inside. They will look still bomb. Yeah, right. So wow, this one also I really love it. So let me know what was your favorite. So my favorite is my coordinated, especially these frills. Like, wow, I just love it. So even if you do not wear the skirt, you can also wear the skirt for other outfits. Like, you can wear for any of these tops, but this one stole, for me. You can also wear this, on the jeans, yeah, and make it like a fusion look. So yeah, so those were all the outfits I got from MISSAMORE. Let me know what was your favorite. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Mwah. Bye guys.